Hello friends, in this video I will show you how to fix and resolve flickering or flashing screen in Windows 11. So there are some easy methods you can try. First one, click on Start, type here Device Manager, open Device Manager. Now here expand Display Adapters, right click on Driver and Update Driver. Click on Search Automatically, then close it. Second method, right click on it and update driver. Now this time select browse my computer. Let me pick and select your latest driver, then click on next and close it and restart. Still guys, you are facing problems, so you can try another method. Click on start, type here msconfig, open system configuration. Now here click on services. Now in this list you have to find out problem reports control panel support. Uncheck this one. Windows error reporting service. So uncheck this both option. Then click on apply. Then click on OK. Now close it and restart. So this is the way guys you can fix and resolve flickering or flashing screen in Windows 11. Thanks for watching and please comment this method work for you or not.